2012, Delhi, 16th December 2012, Nirbhaya gang rape by 6 people, including a juvenile. 2013, Mumbai, 22 August 2013, Shakti Mills gang rape by 5 people, including a juvenile. 2014, UP, 27 May 2014, Badon gang rape by 7 people. 2015, Tamil Nadu, July 2015, Shivagangai minor girl rape case, accused a police officer. 2016, Rajasthan, 29 March 2016, Delta Mehwal rape case, 17 years old girl accused a hostel teacher. 2017 UP, 4th June 2017, Unnao rape case, a minor girl was raped. 2018 Jammu and Kashmir, January 2018, Khatau rape case, a minor girl was raped by 7 people. 2019 Rajasthan, December 2019, 6-year-old girl was raped on her way back from school. 2020 Madhya Pradesh, 23 April 2020, 6-year-old girl was raped brutally. India ranked as the world's most dangerous place for women. At every passage, at every place, whether being surrounded by loved ones or stranger, everyone humiliates me, misbehaved with me, and raped me. This 4-word sentence is a short to say, but the deep pain that I felt and go through with it is hard to explain. A rape victim. Being a woman is not easy, and that too when you live in India, because in India, at every 20 minutes, a girl is raped. And if we talk about the current scenario, India is not safe for women, not even in this 21st century. This country has been ranked as the world's most dangerous place for women. India got this ranking because of the persistent rise in the number of rape cases and the lack of access to justice in it. Nirbhaya, remember that horrible crime that occurs in the national capital of India, Delhi, on 16th December 2012. That leaves everyone in trauma and left a dark stain on women's safety and security, right? So many questions, but if you look at the exact answer, then there was nothing. After every brutal rape case, government promised ample of things. They amend laws, all the higher authority does tweets, give empathy, but after a while, when the time passes, they may forget. Because if a government think about women's safety and security, then surely the number of rape cases will never grow so terribly. After 2012, the number in rape cases has been constantly increasing to 91.38% in 2018. This shows that every year a rape case happened and nothing has changed. At some point, our judicial system is responsible for this because they do not implement strict laws and punishment for rape cases.